I picked up off Amazon one of these cheap 8x8x4 dot matrix units that use SPI interface. This is being run by my 8-bit Z80 computer at 4 megahertz with the parallel port bit banging the SPI serial interface. Currently, the program is loading in from my Arduino, which makes the RAM loaded. And it takes a second for it to initialize, bit banging it, and maybe could increase the speed if I didn't write the program in C. Even though the C compiler optimizes the code, maybe assembly would run it a little faster. But here is your basic cheap 8x8x4 dot matrix unit. The only downside is, looking at this, is actually the rows go from bottom to top when loading. I think with the speed of this processor, probably won't be able to do too much animation, but I'll give it a whirl when maybe I can optimize the routines, or maybe even build a hardware serial interface for SPI. Okay, where it is, and coming up next will be an LCD display.